Welcome to another installment of Live Well Jamaica's Unsung Hero for this month, August 2017, and I'm right here at 1 Maho Drive, Kingston 11 at the Mustard Seed Communities where Roots 96.1 FM is located. I'm surprising their technical coordinator who has no clue that I'm here. Watch out for this. Award you as our unsung hero for this month.
This is a small token from DW's Floral and I hope you will enjoy it.
Thank you so much. I will.
I'm Queen Jojo and I'm the one that nominated Owen for this award. Owen deserves it because he's selfless. He's always giving of himself and his time. I've never heard him say no to me. Even if it's not done within the same time that I asked, he always gets it done. I'm the one that is always fighting to say, hey, you can say that you're busy and it's okay to say no, but he's always trying to make certain that the persons around him are feeling good and that they're in a good place. So I think he deserves it more than anything else.
That's the sound of Alicia Keys on your radio, Roots 96.1 FM. Today, I am Owen Brown, Technical Director at Roots 96.1 FM and also a youth leader at my church. I am here today feeling honored, feeling grateful. I'm doing a lot here at Roots. I have responsibility for the technical aspects of the station. I ensure that we are streaming live on the internet, on Facebook, on our YouTube, and ensuring that the station is at the place that it should be. It's a lot of work, but with wonderful staff members and team, I call them team and friends and family that I have around me, just motivates me to do even more. So I'm really grateful to be at this great institution. And it's just great to share what I have with others. So thank you so much for this award.
Hey, I'm Denise Isis Miller from Roots FM, producer presenter here at Roots FM. And it's a very exciting day today because my colleague, my brother, my son, sometime my daddy, Owen Brown, has received an award. Wow, so excited. Live Well, Unsung Hero, August 2017. Deservingly so. Mustard Seed Communities is our parent company, and the whole mantra is caring, sharing, and training. And I can tell you, Owen Brown, as I call him, the original world boss, he definitely has captured that caring, sharing, and training. He is an awesome, beautiful person, and everything that Jody said here on this certificate is so and more. Love him dearly, and I just love the way how he interacts. As Jody says, he never says no. Is that good or bad? Good. Especially for me, who is not really a techie person, and he helped me with everything. And I have grown because of him in terms of what he has taught me and continues to teach me. And I just want to say, OB, love you dearly, wish you all the best, and you really and truly deserve this award. You are living well, and you will continue to do so, and we'll continue to support you here at Roots FM as you do support us. Thank you so much.
Well, I offer various level of assistance, whether it's emotional, financial, just some level of support, physical support also. So whether it's persons they are not able to, probably afford a meal or afford something to eat, that's something that I said, I may be able to get something to eat, but I'm not sure how the person will be getting something. So I ensure that persons around me, whoever it is, whether you have it or not, if I know there's a need, then I'm going to ensure that that need is actually taken care of. The Bible said, if you see a man naked, feed him. If you see a man hungry, feed him. Right? And that's something that something that's a part of me. I grew up with that. And that's something that I really love to do. Ensure that the persons around me, they are okay. Emotionally, persons would come to me for a level of counseling, for a level of inspiration. The person may be down, a person may be having some issues. They would confide in me, and that's the thing. Sometimes I'm glad that I'm forgetful at times, but it works because when it comes to confidence, persons once they are telling you something, it's for me to say, guess what? You're entrusting your hope in me and your confidence in me, and I'm gonna keep that for you, right? And ensure that whatever it is that I can assist with, then I will try my best to. If I'm not able to, I will try and see how best I can also assist otherwise. So that's how I think lending a helping hand and helping my brothers around me. That's what I do.
My name is Trevor Gordon Somers. When I meet new people and they ask me what I do here, I invariably say my title is chairman, but I don't do anything here. All of that is done by a host of other people, one of whom is Owen. I don't know how much he has told you, but I remember when he joined us, a rather shy young man. And I think all he was doing in those days was reading the news. Over time, he has become the star of the organization because he's the one who is most in demand. Everyone who has whatever the problem is, it may not have a thing to do with the technical, the IT, we call Owen. Some of us are apologetic for calling him so often. Most of us, we're charmed by his smile and his countenance. In fact, Owen has been a blessing in many respects because he's such an easy person to work with. He doesn't know how to say no, even when he's under stress. So then we tease him because he's beginning to sound a little bit like me, aging and forgetting. But time will tell. He's just gone through a very new experience, and so long as his new wife will tolerate him, then he'll be in good shape. As I say, Owen is an excellent colleague. We're proud of him. He has learned well, learned quickly, and now he helps to guide most of us.
As a youth pastor, youth leader, it's my role to encourage that, to ensure rather, that the persons who I am, in charge of, they are living to the standards that they should be, assisting them to walk in the Word, assisting them to, be the man and the woman that God would want them to be. So whether if they are struggling with an issue or whether it's a habit or whatever it is, they can confide in me, and I will be able to, if not pray with them, but give them some level of assistance or counseling also. So that's a way that I, well, I have been a youth pastor for quite a number of years, and youth leader, I must say. I don't have the pastorship yet, but I'm getting there. But being a youth leader for a number of years, I grew up in the church, matter of fact. So my father is a pastor, and just being around young people, I have been there for, I can say, about 8 or 9 years. I've been around young people and sharing with them. Youth leader, it's not easy because a lot of times, young people, they have their ways, but you have to use that level of guidance, wisdom that God has given you to ensure that whatever it is that they have an issue with, or sometimes they come at me and I really have to break, but I have to compose myself, and guess what? I'm in charge, so I have to ensure that whatever issue they have, I can assist. Yes, I remember a young man. He always used to come at the window and watch what's happening, and I always encourage him to come to church, man. Go to church and come in. You can come in. You can talk to us. And he would sometimes say, I'm coming, but he didn't come. Time went by when I would see him and I would talk to him on the road, and eventually he started to come to church. Eventually he started to involve himself in what's happening, and he eventually became a Christian. When he eventually became a Christian, You know, he said he wanted a job, and I said, guess what, we're gonna pray about it. We're gonna send out some resumes. So we sent out some resumes, and he got the job. He's now working. He's now married. So I want to thank Live Well Jamaica and the Live Well Jamaica team for this wonderful award of recognizing me as their unsung hero for August 2017. It's an honor, it's a privilege to receive this award. I want to thank the sponsors DW Floral and Tessany Mott, and also Gavin Dennis for your wonderful gift or your token. I really appreciate it, alright?
And that's a wrap for Live Well Jamaica's Unsung Hero episode for this month, August 2017. I want to say special thanks to my video production team, Tyrone Sims Production. Go ahead and check them out on Facebook, on Instagram, and on Twitter. But guess what? We are waiting on you to nominate your next Unsung Hero for next month. You can email nominations to info@livewellja.com. I'm Ashley Ann Mott. Until next time, live in peace, live in love, live well Jamaica.